sa habang buhay na makapiling ka at makasama ka. Yan ang panalangin niya. At hindi papayag ang puso niyang to na mawala ka sa kanyang piling. Mahal ka niya kahit di mo dinggin. Wala nang iba pang mas mahalaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig ninyong dalawa. At sana naman makikinig ka sa kanyang sasabihin, minamahal ka niya.
Kuya Chris, Ate Joy, sorry I could not be there for the wedding. But finally, you made it happen. Congratulations on your dream wedding. Sending this video to send my love and blessing. By the way, this is our 100 takes.
It's been 2 hours. But I will say, Chris, Joyce, I haven't met you yet. Congratulations on your special day. I want to give you a toast to happiness, success, and love.
Cheers.
Cheers.